Hey everyone, my name is Hrushikesh Sahu and I completed my BTech from IGIT Saram in Computer Science and Engineering. I have always been interested in mathematics and statistics and hence data science caught my attention. I wanted to build a career in data science and decided to join AlmaBetter for robot training program. I secured a job at Tiger Analytics soon after joining AlmaBetter. I am good at mathematics, statistics, so my priority while choosing an institute was the placement guarantee and pay after placement features. Fortunately, AlmaBetter offer all these along with the robust curriculum. I decided to enroll in AlmaBetter learning program as soon as I realized. The best features of the placement drive was that I was provided with a dedicated career coach who guided me throughout the process. Also, multiple mock interview with expert helped me clear all my doubt and grasp challenging concept. Mock interview also helped boost my confidence and prepare for the actual interview. AlmaBetter curriculum is the most structured and student-centered curriculum available for the student. The curriculum is loaded with unique and exciting elements like one-to-one mentorship session, capstone project, and regular fun quizzes and assignment. Also, the daily learning report with constructive feedback helps students to work on their weaknesses. All these features made AlmaBetter curriculum stand out. My learning experience at AlmaBetter was extraordinary. My only advice to other students is to keep patience and work on their weaknesses. AlmaBetter will take care of the rest.